How to fix fail to download apply critical settings on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like fail to download or apply critical settings on Roblox. So let's get started. First, as you have to check your internet connection, simply you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, restart the Roblox application means fully close and reopen. After that, look for any update available for Roblox. Simply open App Store or Play Store. After you open App Store, in the source field, search for Roblox. After that, if you find any update, simply tap on update. After you update latest version of Roblox, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you need to clear the Roblox cache. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. And from here, find out the application Roblox. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on upload app. Alright, tap on upload. After you uploaded the Roblox, simply tap on reinstall app. After you reinstall and clear the cache of Roblox, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you need to disable all of the VPN and proxy. Simply for that, from the settings section again general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. From here, make sure you are not connected to any VPN or proxy. Simply you'll have to disable it. After that, you can also try another network or connect to another Wi-Fi or mobile data hotspot. At last, you can try to restart your device. After a fully restart, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.